Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code B1601 indicates a fault related to the keyless access control unit's internal CPU in the 2023 Honda Accord. This error is crucial for vehicle operation, as it relates to the functionality of the keyless entry system, which allows drivers to unlock and start their vehicle without using a physical key. When the body control module, BCM, detects an error within the CPU of the keyless access control unit, it registers this malfunction by storing the DTC. This indicates that the BCM has identified an abnormality in the operational capabilities of the CPU. The proper functioning of the keyless access system is essential, not only for convenience, but also for vehicle security, ensuring only authorized users can operate the vehicle. Addressing DTC B1601 is essential to restore normal operation of keyless entry features. DTC B1601 primarily revolves around the body control module, known as the BCM, which is the nucleus for various electronic functions within the vehicle, including lighting, security, and keyless entry systems. The specific issue is centered on the keyless access control unit's internal CPU, which plays a critical role in communication and processing signals for unlocking and starting the vehicle. The BCM is located typically beneath the dashboard or near the steering column, while the keyless access control unit is integrated into the vehicle's key fob or might be part of the remote entry system. If the BCM identifies discrepancies or malfunctions, it promptly logs the B1601 error code to inform technicians of the internal issue, indicating a failure within the CPU's ability to handle its designated tasks effectively. Having a proper understanding of the integral parts involved helps in the troubleshooting process. When dealing with DTC B1601, there are several possible causes that technicians should investigate. The most apparent cause is an internal malfunction within the CPU of the keyless access control unit itself, which could arise from manufacturing defects or wear and tear over time. Additionally, inspection of wiring is crucial. Frayed or damaged connections leading to the BCM or the keyless access control unit could disrupt communication, causing the system to register an error. Another potential source could be a faulty body control module, which might not process the signals it receives accurately. Understanding these causes allows technicians to narrow down the troubleshooting process and address the underlying issue effectively. The symptoms stemming from DTC B1601 can significantly affect the driving experience. A primary indication is the malfunction of the keyless entry system. Users may find that the door locks do not respond when attempting to unlock using the key fob. Additionally, the failure to start the vehicle may occur if the keyless ignition feature relies on the same CPU functionality. Another symptom is the illumination of an indicator light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential fault in the keyless access system. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for the timely troubleshooting and rectification of the underlying issue to ensure the vehicle operates safely and effectively. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1601 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This initial action is crucial as it powers various electronic systems within the vehicle, allowing the body control module to conduct a thorough self-check. After activating the on mode, the next step is to use a diagnostic tool to check for any stored error codes. This process allows technicians to confirm whether the DTC B1601 is present and if any additional codes exist that may be linked to keyless access issues. Understanding this step is vital as it sets the groundwork for further diagnostics by providing initial insights into the vehicle's status. Following the initial check, The second step is to inspect the body control module for any signs of physical damage. Given that this module orchestrates multiple electrical functions, ensuring its integrity is paramount. Inspect visually for cracks, corrosion, or loose connections that could impair functionality. Any such deficiencies can lead to communication failures, resulting in DTC B1601. It's essential to document any abnormalities found during the inspection, as these can guide subsequent actions, including possible replacement or repair. This step reinforces the value of the BCM in maintaining the vehicle's electronic systems effectively. If the inspection identifies a faulty body control module, the next logical step entails replacing it. When performing this replacement, it's essential to ensure that the new module is compatible with the 2023 Honda Accord model and is properly configured. After installing the new BCM, technicians need to clear any stored error codes, including DTC B1601, to reset the vehicle's error reporting system. This step not only ensures that the new module is functioning correctly, but also prepares the system for ongoing diagnostics. Completing this step correctly is vital for restoring the vehicle's electronic functions to their optimal state. After completing the troubleshooting and repair process for DTC B1601, it is crucial to conduct a final verification of the system's operation. This involves testing the keyless entry system and ensuring that the functionalities are restored. Technicians should perform a thorough recheck for any DTCs to confirm that B1601 does not reappear. This ensures that the root cause of the issue has been addressed and that no additional errors have been introduced. Final verification is an essential component of the repair process, as it establishes confidence in the vehicle's electronic systems and promotes safe operation for the driver and passengers. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B1601, implementing routine preventive maintenance is vital. Regular system checks can help catch potential issues before they escalate into significant problems, particularly concerning the BCM and keyless access components. Updating the vehicle's software periodically ensures that the control systems are operating with the latest improvements and fixes provided by Honda. Such updates often include refinements that can enhance reliability and efficiency of electronic systems. Consistent preventive maintenance fosters a proactive approach, securing the longevity and performance of the keyless entry system. In summary, DTC B1601 signifies a critical internal error with the Keyless Access Control Unit CPU in the 2023 Honda Accord. Understanding the components involved, such as the body control module, is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. The process begins with identifying the error through vehicle diagnostics, inspecting the BCM for damage, and potentially replacing it to rectify the issue. Finally, establishing a routine for preventive maintenance helps to ensure the reliability and performance of the keyless access system moving forward. By following these steps, technicians and vehicle owners can ensure optimal operations and resolve issues proactively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.